very pleased with the service given to us by Champion Plumbing.
For doing such a great job on my water heater. They did an excellent job from the beginning to the end. Installation was quick, and the guys are amazing.
We'll come out and give you a free estimate and make you another happy customer.
Pleased, and I thought it's extremely reasonable.
I just had Champion Plumbing do work for me, and the service and the quality was outstanding.
I really appreciate the professionalism of your service.
Everything terrific, came on time, finished the job.
They do great work, always punctual, very thorough with the work.
Always on time, very fair, reasonable pricing, and great plumber. Go with them.
His grinder has come through. He's reasonably priced. He's pleasant to work with. He shows up on time. He does the job correct.
Anyway, I highly recommend Champion Plumbing.
Very professional and very fast. Very, very good. They did a great job. They did it time-wise, and I couldn't be any more happier. Give us a call.